Hi everyone, if you're looking for a full-time remote opportunity in IT support role, here's a great opportunity for you. In this role, the company is looking for someone with 2 to 3 years of relevant experience and a bachelor's degree or any equivalent IT diploma. This is a 100% remote job opportunity and you can do this from home or anywhere. So the company's name is Bold Business. This is a global BPO. This is a US-based company. The company is hiring for IT support role. Now let's check out about the details. Here they have written that the company is seeking an IT support to manage the company's IT operations and projects, and this role focuses on computer operations, repair, user support, help desk services, and data management. So here are some of the skills and expertise that the company is looking for. So in their candidate, the company is looking for someone with a bachelor's degree or any equivalent IT diploma. Around 2 to 3 years of experience in IT operations will work. You should have proven working experience or equivalent with the data processing training and computer operations training. If you have experienced in multi-operation system or production control environment, you will be a preferred candidate. You should have a knowledge of a variety of hardware, software, programming languages, and operation systems. And as a okay, and you should have basic knowledge of network protocols and some experience with computer applications and operating systems. Uh, Linux experience is required. You should be experienced with Linux. You should have knowledge in asset and inventory management or procurement. And additionally, you should have a strong analytical, diagnostic, and problem-solving skills, and good communication and strong organizational skills. So here are the benefits that the company is providing. So the company will be providing training, and a supportive culture, providing necessary resources to learn, lead, and deliver results. So this is a full-time 100% remote opportunity. And here are the roles and responsibilities that you can expect as an IT support. So as an IT support, you will be providing technical support in the use of personal computer hardware, software, and specialized mainframe technology, or operates a multi-platform complex operates a multi-platform complex computer environment, or monitors the production scheduling, execution, and successful completion of production jobs. You will be setting up and configure desktop computers, peripherals, and accounts assigning security level. You will be installing software and installs and repairs hardware and peripherals. You will be testing programs and other applications. You will be troubleshooting. Diagnosing problems, implementing corrective action procedures, and/or escalate to other technical resources as appropriate. And also you need to serve as technical resource to unit. You need to maintain, update, or create systems, databases, and web pages using front-end user-enhanced web tools within prescribed guidelines. You need to administer user accounts, develop and test user documentation. You need to design and produce moderately complex reports. You need to do research and recommend system equipment upgrades and manage equipment inventory. You need to set up and submit production jobs and edits and debugs computer output. To troubleshoot, repair, and maintenance for computer equipment. Test personal computers and peripherals on a network to diagnose hardware versus software problems and escalate corrective procedures to other technical resources as appropriate. So these are all the IT support kind of jobs that you will be doing as an IT support. So you will be acting as a customer liaison for the computing operation, communicating, resolving, and/or initiating the resolution of problems and concerns. You will be working with hardware vendors to resolve equipment failures or problems. You may perform routine security checks on the system, and also you will be assisting with complex technical projects. You need to contribute to unit goals by accomplishing related duties as required. So this is a list of key responsibilities that you can expect working as IT support with the company. So if you think that you could be a good fit for this position, if you think that you could be a good fit for this position, here is the application that you can fill up. This is a simple application form, and you need to provide here how many years of experience do you have as an IT support, and do you have experience in inventory management, do you have experience with Microsoft Entra ID and Intune is your ID you have to provide here, and then internet provider and speed that you need to write. They are asking for the information related to the because this is a remote opportunity, they are asking for information related to your internet provider and the internet speed, and how soon can you start, what is your desired monthly salary, you can fill up here, and then current locations. Then please provide your WhatsApp or Viber number to reach you for screening purposes. And here, okay, so that's it. Submit the application form, and if you believe you could be a good fit for this position, you have experience in IT support, go ahead and check out the details. And this is a great opportunity for people who have IT support experience and who are looking for remote or work from home opportunities. So thank you for listening.